In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Shopify theme 5 minutes. If you've customized your storefront or you're planning a redesign, exporting your theme is a smart way to create a backup, share it with a developer, or move it to another store. Here's how to do it clearly and safely. Start by opening Shopify and signing into your admin dashboard. From the main sidebar, look for Online Store. This section controls how your storefront looks and behaves. When you click Online Store, you'll land on the Themes area, which shows your current live theme at the top and any additional themes in your theme library below. Next, decide which theme you want to export. If you want a snapshot of what customers currently see, choose the one labeled Live. If you're exporting a draft or an older version, select it from the theme library. It helps to double check the theme name so you don't download the wrong one, especially if you keep multiple variations. Now find the 3-dot menu beside that theme. This menu is often called More Actions. Click it to reveal theme options. From the list, choose Download Theme File. Shopify will prepare a zip archive containing your theme's code and assets, including templates, sections, snippets, and your theme settings. Keep in mind this export doesn't include products, customers' orders, apps, or most store-wide settings. It's strictly the theme files. A confirmation prompt will appear asking to send the download link by email. Click Send Email. Shopify will generate the zip file and email a secure link to the account's contact email. Depending on your theme's size, this can take a few minutes. If you don't see it, check your spam or promotions folder and make sure you're logged into the store that owns the theme. Also, note that you'll need the proper staff permissions to download themes. If you don't see the option, ask the store owner to grant you access. Once the email arrives, you'll receive a link to the zip file so you can download and store it safely on your computer or in cloud storage. It's a good practice to name your backup with the theme name and date so you can identify it later. You can use this zip to restore your design by uploading it back into the themes area or to share it with collaborators for review. That's it, you've successfully exported your Shopify theme, giving yourself a reliable backup and a simple path to reuse your design whenever you need it.